Hey, what's up, you guys? Thomas back with another Linson's video at the local TJ Maxx. Out here doing a little bit of hunting, if you will. You know, TJ Maxx is kind of like a hunt. Depending on what you're hunting for, there's a possibility you can find it, and there's a possibility you may be out of luck. When you go duck hunting, there's a possibility you find a gazillion ducks, and then there's a possibility you find pigeons out there flying. But TJ Maxx, what do I come here for? Well, one of my favorite things is the fragrance section. Obviously, being a fragrance collector, fragrance addiction specialist, if you will. Now, one thing you like to do is once in a while go through the women's section and check over there. Sometimes they do misplace the men's fragrances in that section. Another thing I like to get here at TJ Maxx is the jewelry for men. Now, yeah, it's probably most likely not going to be real, but as you guys can see, this necklace came from TJ Maxx. Looks very nice, actually. Very shiny, the black. Definitely like coming here for pet items as well. For the doggies, you got to get the dogs the treats and stuff like that. Cool thing about TJ Maxx is a lot of times you can find this stuff here cheaper. But another thing I like to go for is cookware and stuff like that. So again, depending on what kind of TJ Maxx hunting you're doing, you could either strike out or hit a home run. And today I'm just kind of browsing around. There's no kind of direction today. It's just let's just wander around TJ Maxx and see what we can find. Now again, my favorite portion of TJ Maxx is the men's section, obviously. But again, I do like coming to the food section too, because one thing about TJ Maxx is that, for instance, like something like this. Okay, this turmeric ginger meal. So all you gotta do is add the booze to it, most likely some vodka. If you want to make it a little darker, you can use some rum. But something like that. Usually you're gonna pay about $15 at a liquor store. You come here, and sometimes you get it on special for $10. Okay, so that's cool. Stuff like this, the pepper grinders, you would just get that at like Walmart or something. That'd be like $20, so $8 there. Ooh, baklava. I'm not sure about baklava that comes in a box like this. I'd probably pass on that baklava, but it's cool to know that they got baklava. $3. Who can say no to $3 baklava? Got vitamins. You guys know how vitamins are so expensive nowadays. Like, vitamins are like, you know, you want to show somebody that you are a baller, you just bring out a big thing of vitamins and boom, stunt on everybody. Smoky bacon cheddar dip. Bet you that it would go good with some nice bread. Got a nice loaf of French bread, which would be nice. But again, I do come here for the cookware. Cookware is always really good. Oh, so this is cool. These are these coffee. Pretty much they're a concentrated coffee. All you gotta do is just add that to some water and you're good to go. Add ice and water, add ice and milk to make something different, and add hot chocolate. So those are pretty cool. $4.99. Definitely a good spot to come get your coffees. You guys know that. Different kind of coffees. Now let me show you one of the frying pans that I bought a long time ago from TJ Maxx, and it's been honestly probably my favorite frying pan of all. Besides the new set that we just got, the Ninja Never Stick foodie stuff, but these right here, you'll find these throughout all the TJ Maxx. Okay, this is all clad, which is a nice weight to it as well. Nice non-stick coating. The nice sides of this pan are very nice. doing an omelet, doing some scrambled eggs or something like that. Nice for searing a nice steak as well. Those are awesome. And the small ones are $6.99, $16.99. The big ones are usually $19, and then they got a 12-inch that's usually $24.99. So those are some of the best frying pans that I've ever used. So, oh man, I need to get one of these flat little with these cast irons. Great for hamburgers and stuff like that, especially that flat one. I should get one of those for like some make some of those steak fajitas and chicken fajitas. But anyways, what you guys are here for is to see if I can find anything in the fragrance section. That's why you guys are on Mr. Linscent's channel, if you will. And we're gonna go over there and check that out. Oh, here's a cool toy. Might have to get this for the dogs. Only problem with these toys, I'll probably get it though. This is $5.99. But it's these little fish toys, okay? The ones that move. The only problem is if you got a rough dog, this toy will last probably the day you buy it, and that's it. And it's pretty much broke the next day. So definitely check out their dog toys. They're pretty good. Dog food, dog. Oh yeah, definitely got to check out the luggage. Luggage is always pretty cheap here. If you're going on that nice vacation and maybe you need a last minute luggage pickup, I would definitely check TJ Maxx first. Go through the clothes. Ooh, cool Bucks. Looks like a practice jersey, which is very nice. Bucks are on a roll. 10, 12, 13 game win streak right now. So Bucks are definitely doing the damn thing. Oh, by the way, if you guys never had these, this is Fat Boy Heaven right here. Heavenly Hunks. Any one that you get, they got a chocolate chip, they got a coconut. Grab those. Bomb. So we are coming along to the fragrance section. And the one cool thing about the fragrance section at TJ Maxx or any one of those places that has the open bottles is that they are easy to test out, because a lot of them you can literally spray, walk around the TJ Maxx, and honestly most TJ Maxxes are around other stores that you might most likely walk around a little bit later afterwards as well. So you can really get a nice feel for a lot of these open fragrances. Now, one that I'm looking at right now, and I should buy this, but I already have it, and I'm not one of those people that needs to buy multiple bottles of the same thing, no matter how, no matter how good it is, because you got so many fragrances, you're gonna smell good, okay? So here's Bourbon Craft, okay? The original came in a rectangular bottle, which was very nice. This is like boozy. It kind of smells like oaky, like an oak barrel. Smells so good. It smells so good, you guys. Bourbon Craft actually gives me plenty of compliments whenever I wear it. This is from True Fragrance, okay? I think True Fragrance is somewhere out of Willowbrook, Illinois, okay? So wherever the hell that is, you guys are from Illinois, let me know. But Bourbon Craft, this stuff is good right here. And man, until this started creeping back up through the TJ Maxxes, people have been putting this on eBay for like thousands of dollars, or like hundreds, not thousands, but that one is very good. Let's see, with this Portola collection, blue, ocean blue. Let's see what this smells like. See what I think of it. Okay, it's a very nice Sauvage style fragrance, nice and fresh, nice and citrusy, but nice and fresh, kind of slightly spicy. But ocean blue, if you see this one, you need a Sauvage pickup, go and grab it. $12, can't beat it, especially if you need that real Sauvage, but you just don't have that Sauvage money. Here's one of those things where I think this might be a woman's fragrance, but it's in the men's section. This is Terry, not Terry Mez. This is Desert Dust. Let's smell this one. Yeah, definitely a woman's fragrance right there, but very nice. I like the way that smells. Very easy, clean, kind of fruity. Very good fragrance. If you were a lady, that would be a nice one to smell. Now, a lot of people have been posting these ones on YouTube or Facebook as of late. Black Oud. Let's see what this one smells like. Cross Cut. I'm assuming Crosscut is like maybe a men's grooming company that does fragrance as well. So let's see what this smells like. Smell it after the couple sprays. Kind of smells green and earthy. It's got this nice piney smell to it. You know what? I like that. It's definitely kind of got that woody, earthy, green, nice scent going for it. Nice and sophisticated gentleman right here going into work. Very nice. Very nice. The Dreamer. We all know about the Dreamer. I wasn't a big fan of this. I think it was a little bit overhyped. Just my opinion. Let's see. Cool Escape. Let's see what this Cool Escape is all about. Big ass bottle. Good to go for like months with this one. Let's see what this is all about. Now it's an eau de cologne, so you're gonna have to spray extra heavy with these, but okay, so nice, fresh, kind of stepping out of the shower jelly, if you will. Let's see what else. Tommy Bahamas, those are usually pretty good. Only problem with Tommy Bahamas, they don't last. You guys know that. Now these are another one that I've seen plenty of open boxes on Facebook. People have been posting these a lot. It's an Eau de Parfum by the Good Scent. See, Italian lemon, oak moss, smoked teakwood. Let's see. Spray it there, and then I just smell the cap. Smells citrusy and fresh, but very light. Even with like 4 or 5 sprays, barely smelling anything from that atomizer. So I would pass on that if you see that one, number one. Other than that, man, this is about as pitiful can get as far as fragrance section for men. Look at that. Nothing. By the way, I do like their soaps, and I'll probably grab this one, the sea salted mint. Love these bar soaps. These bar soaps last a long time, and honestly, the best thing to do with these bar soaps is use a puff like this, okay? Just rub that soap into that puff and you are good to go. These things smell great a lot of times. Yes, I'm definitely going to get that one. And maybe this whiskey. Oh yeah, this whiskey soap smells great. I'll be grabbing both of those. And I need some new ones, these, because last ones I got real small. Small ones suck. These really big jumbo ones, these are pretty good. If you ever need a head scratcher right here, very good. Those things feel good on the head, guys. If you guys never tried that out. Now these look like some interesting flip-flops right here. I would rock those. I'm not sure if those are girl flip-flops or men's, but I would rock those. Those are kind of comfy. So flip-flop season is coming back soon. So hopefully you guys got some, your feet are looking nice. Okay. We're coming over here on the clearance section. Okay, the clearance section's got a little bit of stuff going on over here. Got a little bit of that Hollander action. Not Hollander, but Hollister. $12.99. It's not a clearance item. Marble Forest, by the way, you guys, if you've never smelled this one smells pretty good. This, and I believe there's one called Cobalt Smoke or something like that. That one was really good. I hate when they got these things clearanced with no cap on the top. Like, what am I going to do with this? Yeah, you could probably just put that into a little atomizer if you got it, but it's kind of waste. I don't want that. Got plenty of these. Mont Blanc Legends 3.3, but look what they're charging. $48. This looks like a time for sticker switching right here. Because that is not $48. Smells good, but it's not $48. Goat milk. Goat milk serum. Let's see what this is all about. No tag on here. Anybody need some goat serum in their life? Probably not. Blue cedar and cypress. This stuff smells great. The fragrance, the cologne of this is even better. It's nice and earthy and green. Nice and fresh. Good stuff right there. But okay, got some clearance socks. Which reminds me, these are the socks that I'm currently wearing right now. The pen, there's no pen, is in tennis. Only problem with these are sometimes they just fall off the ankle a little bit, which I'm not a big fan of. When the socks start falling off your ankle, it's a pain. It really is a pain. Oh, okay. So we do got some good stuff over here. I might have to get a couple Levi boxer briefs. Look at that. 3-pack. Now you guys know boxer briefs are not cheap. You go into a department store, you are paying about $20 for a 3-pack of drawers. So you better off coming to TJ Maxx to get that. And again, $8 for a 3-pack, that's actually not bad at all. Let me show you another brand that's actually quite comfy. Are these spiders? Whoever the hell Spider is in this, man, it's an 8-pack. I might have to grab this. 8-pack, $20. These are pretty comfy. These spider drawers, pretty comfy. Levi's got a bunch of Nautica t-shirts. Columbia, they make drawers too. Bet you those got to be comfy. $11. Boom. But yeah, that is pretty much everything I come here for. Usually I'll come here for the gym shorts and stuff like that. Oh, let me show you one more soap that's so good. This stuff. Whenever you can get this stuff, get it. This stuff smells so good. Too bad the fragrance doesn't smell that way, but that one is good. Come here for some razors. Shit. Okay. Let me show you guys this real quick. This for Baldies. This is one of the best blades of all time. I just recently got the Cremo and used that. I think Cremo is right there, but this is my favorite. Good stuff. See if we can find any shorts. Short season is back. Man, some of the sweats here, the sweatpants. Let me show you guys some of the, like, everyone can just go for the New Balances and stuff like that, but there's some really good branded sweats here. These are usually pretty good. These Matrix New Balance. You have to give me some of those. Oh, the New Balance. New Balance. Adidas New Balance. Ooh. I'm definitely gonna have to get in a couple pair of these joggers, because I like the New Balance joggers. They actually fit really nice. And I like that big pocket. Man, fit like a damn tablet in that pocket. I do like these too. But hey, I'm gonna get up out of here. Peace.